Hi, it's Fies Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay, kung ano man ang ating makita, yun ang ating babasahin. Okay, so medyo matagal kong hindi nagamit to. Medyo dikit-dikit sila. So, air signs muna. Anyway, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayong maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga items, yan. Yeah, just message me. Okay, so meron tayong protection from evil eye, meron tayong love bracelet, meron tayong granter necklace, taga-grant ng mga minamanifest mo, and yung ating cord cut. Okay, cord cutting, yes. So, kung may tanong, message na lang po ha sa ating FB page na Fies Tarot. Be careful sa mga scammers kasi may mga nagaya ng page natin. So, dun tayo sa legit. Okay? Kung saan mo to napapanood, dito ka magme-message. Oo. Yun lang. Okay. Let's see. Hindi po sa comment section ha. Message. So, let's start. Air signs, what's for you? What's for air signs? Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. What's for you? Six of Pentacles in the reverse. The Tower in reverse. Some of you, there's this unexpected na pwedeng may magbabayad. Okay? Unexpected. Yeah, Temperance. Matagal-tagal na to iniintay mo. Yes, may darating na pera, I think. Okay? May masisettle. Yan. Kung ano man yan, I don't know. That's general. So, what else? What else? Sana walang no? May narinig kasi ako, tumakbo. Parang ganyan. Tumakbo siya. Tinakbuhan ka. So, what else? Strength in reverse. Empress. Ooh. So, energy na parang uplifting. Energy na parang may progress, improvement. Lalo na sa iba sa inyo when it comes to your health. Okay, may improvement, Hindi na para magpa-check up everyday or everyday, like monthly or whatsoever. Parang ito na yung last na punta sa doctor. Parang the results is all clear. Parang may ganyan. Meron na makakalabas sa hospital. May ganyan ako nakikita. Okay? Some of you, this is like a safe delivery. Okay, what else? Oops. Okay, what else? Days of Swords. Signature. Signs. What's with this Ace of Swords? This is transaction. What's with that Ace of Swords? The Four of Swords. This is communication in general. Okay, somebody will initiate. You'll get an answer. Some of you, you'll get a closure. A closure message. Last message. Some of you. Okay? Let's do this Four of Swords in reverse. And the Knight of Wands. There's this two person coming in. Somebody na interested ka, somebody na pwedeng meron kang Parang ganyan. I don't know. Some of you, meron ka ng pipiliin. Meron ka ng sasagutin. Mga ganong bagay. Okay? Kung hindi ito person, could be related sa work. Yeah. Akala mo hindi na, pero pwede pa. Pagdating sa workplace. It's like, in-accept mo na, parang ganyan, pero pwede pa pala. Yeah, the devil in reverse. May mga mafi-fix, I think. Some of you, I'm seeing you fixing, sabihin natin mga kagamitan sa bahay. Para may ganon. Okay? Pwedeng ikaw, dadalhin mo yung sasakyan mo sa mekaniko, may PMS, something like that. Papa-PMS mo. Okay? Sa kasa. Fixing tires, maybe. Chains. Kung motorcycle, yung dala mo. Anyway, so there. So next. Okay, fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. So what's for you? What's for you, fire signs? Aries, Leo, Sag. Okay. The sun. Oh. Why? What's happening? Your first card is the sun in the reverse. What's that? You okay? The Ace of Swords in reverse. Ayoko makipag-usap kung kanino. Ayoko lumabas ng bahay. Gusto ko dito lang. Ganto, ganyan, ganyan. What is happening? Ito, fire sign. Some of you. Kung meron parang hindi tumutugma sa mga gusto mong mangyari, just go with the flow. That's so general. Okay? Kung meron ditong hindi tumutugma, hindi nakikiayon yung sitwasyon whatsoever, may biglang umulan whatsoever, parang feeling mo parang pinipigilan yung isang sitwasyong mangyari, then just go with the flow. Okay? Don't fight the current. I'm seeing a surprise. A surprise coming in. Coming from a family member. The Fool in reverse. Yung iba sa inyo para sinasabihan wag ka munang aalis. I don't know. That's specific. Okay, that's specific. Kung hindi naman lalo na parang hindi importante yung pupuntahan. Okay? Somebody's afraid. Somebody's over-planning. Queen of Pentacles in reverse. The Eight of Wands. The Empress. Some of you, meron ditong person na parang feeling drained. Feeling drained. Physically, mentally, they're stressed. Yeah, they want to walk away. Gusto ng taong to na parang lumayo-layo muna sa mga responsibilidad or what. Feeling ko ito is parang na-stress na sa lahat ng sino-shoulder niya. Some of you, kung ikaw itong parang napapagudan sa mga ginagawa mo everyday, pwede naman sinasabi dito na, okay, cut mo muna yung ginagawa mo. Siguro mga ilang araw, kung kaya. Then, yeah, parang you have to recharge. Unang card mo, the Sun eh. So, feeling drained yung iba sa inyo. Okay? Ayoko na ng ginagawa ko, ganto, ganyan, nakakalobat na, mga ganun. So, kung kailangan mo lumayo muna, travel, do it. Okay? What else? Yeah, the Ten of Wands. This is burden. This is overwork. Okay, the Ten of Wands. What's with that? Temperance, Universe. I quit. I want to quit. Parang ganun yung naririnig ko. The Ace of Pentacles, Universe. So, sa mga ginagawa siguro, sa mga pinag-e-effortan, it's not like balance. Okay? Ano ba tong Ten of Wands na to? This is like a situation na napakabigat. Yeah, okay. Oh! Hierophant, Universe, Justice, Universe. If this is talking about a connection or a relationship, some of you, this is marriage. Okay? This is marriage. Na parang hindi na talagang nagtutugma. And yeah, nagiging burden na lang. So, anong meron? The Three of Pentacles, Universe, yeah, hindi na nagkakaroon ng good cooperation. I don't know, some of you, meron ditong third party involved or talagang hindi lang na-manage ng tama yung mga dapat i-manage sa connection. So, it's like, parang nagsasama na lang or parang kailangan na lang, andun yung energy ng codependency, something like that. Okay? Meron ditong magsasabi ng hinanakit. Maybe sa work, maybe sa relationship. Okay? Merong burst. Okay? May sasabog na emosyon dito. Parang ganyan. Temperance in reverse. So, I'm hearing arguments or somebody will speak up. Okay? Yan, na pwedeng matagal ng kinimkim. Anyways, so there. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. What's for you? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. What's for water signs? What's for water signs? Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Four of Swords. That's resting. That's energy of somebody is nakukonsensya. May mga naiisip. Could be an air sign or water sign. Yeah, the Ace of Swords. This is something about sa past. Yun pa rin yung parang gumugulo sa utak. Meron dito nakukonsensya. May nakukonsensya dito. Anong meron? The Ace of Pentacles. Somebody's regretting if ever na parang wala silang ginagawa pagdating sa isang sitwasyon para ma-fix. They're just thinking, praying. Okay, yeah, this is trauma. This is past trauma, past issue maybe. Some of you need to forgive somebody, someone. You have to forgive. Some of you. You have to release kung ano man yung mga sabihin natin nagbibigay ng burden sa'yo. Somebody's thinking of you a lot. Wanting a new beginning. Earth sign, air, water. What else? The Tower. What's with that? What's with the Tower? Tower. Two of Swords. Avoiding destruction, disaster, kung ano man. What's with this? Tower. Knight of Cups. Somebody's like holding back pagdating sa emotion. Somebody is hindi nagiging open. Pero gusto nila maging open. Somebody is hiding their true emotion for somebody. For someone. Pero kailangan munang itago. Yeah. Yes. The Nine of Pentacles. Somebody is feeling jealous, like hiding na sila ay nagseselos. I don't know why. I don't know kung ano yun. They have emotion for you. Maybe this is you. You have your Scorpio. Maybe you're hiding true feelings for somebody, for someone. Or you have to. Kasi some of them, there's still issue pagdating sa part nila. Okay, pasensya na po ha sa mga ingay sa paligid-ligid kung inyong naririnig. Oo. So, yeah, wala naman pagmamadali dito. Yeah, the Lovers. Options. Selections. What else for you, water signs? Yeah, holding back. The Four of Pentacles. Some of you have to save. You need to save. The Hermit. Ano tong meron kang kailangang itago? Na plano, I think. Ideas. The Hermit. What's with the Hermit? Yeah, the Hierophant in reversed. About sa mga gusto mong gawin, commitments, whatsoever. Is this work related? Some of you, just be ready. Okay? Meron din dito nag-iisip about proposal. A proposal for some of you. Yeah. Somebody's planning. I don't know if this is talking about sa workplace. I'm seeing here meetings. Papatawag ng HR, ganyan. Okay, meron ditong ibibigay something like promotion for some of you. Okay? Yeah. Be careful with the fire sign. A player. They're returning. It's like pang sarili lang nakagustuhan, pang sarili lang nakakailangan. Kailangan lang niya bumalik kasi may kailangan ako. Something like that. So next, earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So what's for you? What is for you, earth signs? Let's see. Okay. The moon. The Six of Cups. Somebody is sad. Sad. Somebody is hiding their true, sabihin nating nakagustuhan pagdating sa'yo. Yeah. I'm sensing a secret connection here. This is strong. Yeah, the Queen of Wands. So we got, I'm sorry, we have here on a pair. A pair, not affair, huh? A pair. So, Queen and King of Wands. Meron ako dito nakikita ng secret marriage. Or secret lang, like, may nagpaplano na magkarelasyon dito na parang okay, tayo lang muna dapat ang nakakaalam nito, ganto, ganyan, ganyan, ganto. Okay? So, what's with the moon? Pero mayroon ako nakikita ritong tago na connection. I don't know why, kung bakit tago. What's with the moon? The Hermit, yeah. Why? Tinanong ko bakit tago. The Hermit naman ang sinagot. Meaning parang kailangan eh. Parang ganun. The Hierophant. I don't know kung merong mga issue dito sa past whatsoever. So it's like planned. Okay. So what else for you? Somebody, pwedeng meron ditong nag-i-stalk a past person. Okay. What else for Earth sign? 9 of Pentacles in reverse. I'm hearing bills. What's with that? 9 of Pentacles in reverse. Responsibilities, commitments. The 3 of Wands in reverse. Why is that? Meron ditong bills na hindi nabayaran or hindi mababayaran. Sa totoo lang. Or talagang lalagpas sa due date. What's with this 3 of Wands in reverse? The King of Wands. So siguro meron pang mas mga prioridad, no, na bayaran whatsoever. Anyway. Meron ditong parang abuso. May abuso. Okay? Kasi itong nakikita ko na to, could be a fire sign. Gusto niya parang siya lang yung gagawan at gagawan. They're like sitting. Parang ganyan. Kayo mag-commit. Parang ganon. Ako lang masusunod. Yeah. See? The 2 of Cups in reverse. This is not your person. Kung iniisip mo, siya yung person mo. Kasi ganito, ganyan. Nandyan siya. Hindi naman siya lumalayo whatsoever. Isipin mo siya yung person mo. No, it's not. They're not. What else? I'm hearing a one-sided connection here. Imbalance. The Ace of Wands is in the reverse. The Ace of Wands in the reverse. Somebody is attracted sa'yo physically. They like you. Some of you, they're like playing themselves while thinking of you. Yeah, it could be any gender. Yeah, they like you. The Page of Cups. Makikita mo tong taong to, lagi nandyan. Okay? Some of them, they're younger. They're younger, yeah. The Sun, the 6 of Pentacles in reverse. Some of them, they're low-key. Hindi nila pinapalatang gusto ka niya, pero, yeah. The Sun, it's like feeling drawn pagdating sa'yo. Like deads na deads. Okay? It's like, lagi na lang yan, okay, go. Yeah, kung anong gusto mo. Basta lagi kang gusto nitong makita ka. Makausap. Anyway, so, some of you, there's this, a delay pagdating sa isang travel, or delay pagdating sa isang payment. Okay? Yeah, the World Universe. Some of it, this is through online Okay, some of you may chance na pwedeng may pending na payment through online. So, there's this issue sa transactions. Okay, so mas maganda kung kaya nyo magbayad through cash. Mas maganda. So, there. Yeah, yan ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. And yung ating dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Thank you. Bye.